So the Jamaican trials, as we all know, continues today, and in this video I will be giving you every update you need to know about tonight's race. Shelly Shericka will be facing some of the top contenders in the 100 meters tonight, and I will be sharing the list and full list of athletes this Shelly and Shericka will have to defeat if they want to advance to the final. Today is going to be hot, it's going to be amazing, and at the same time it might upset some athletic fans. So Shelly and Fraser Fry's lineup will be lining up against Natasha Morrison in lane 2, Kemba Nelson in lane 3, Juden Williams in lane 3, Tina Clayton in lane 5, and Shanti Murray in lane 6, and of course Nisha Buga in lane 7. Next is Shericka Jackson lineup, and of course Shericka Jackson is lining up against Tia Clayton in lane 2 in the heat 2 of tonight's 100-meter female race. In lane 3 is Shashili Forbes, lane 4 Krista Slowly, lane 5 we have Lani Tava Thomas, and lane 6 we have Brian Williams, and of course in lane 7 we have Alana Reid. Right now, if you are used to my YouTube channel, you should know that I love making prediction about upcoming races. Now let's make a prediction about this race between Shericka Jackson facing a bunch of young athletes, and at the same time Shelly and Fraser Fries facing bunch of young athletes. Now let me start with the Shericka Jackson lineup. She will be facing Tia Clayton, right, Brian Williams and Alana Reid as the top contenders in the heat 2 of tonight's semi-final. And I feel like the winner of this race tonight is either between Alana Reid, Tia Clayton, or Shericka Jackson. But the person that is going to win this race is absolutely Shericka Jackson, because I'm sure she's going to show them no mercy in the semi-final. So let's move on to Shelly and Fraser Fries lineup and make another prediction also. So Shelly and Fraser Fries will be going up against bunch of young talented female sprinter also in heat 1 of the semi-final. She will be facing top contenders like Tina Clayton, Kemba Nelson, and Natasha Morrison, and the winner of this race is definitely between Shelly and Fraser Fries and Tina Clayton or Natasha Morrison. And absolutely the big winner tonight is going to be Shelly and Fraser Fries, because she is going to show them no mercy, as we all know. Now let me hear your own prediction in the comment section and tell me who you think is going to win the race tonight in your own understanding. And also don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I love you.